In the quiet of his room, Hussain is absorbed in a secret ritual, carefully arranging toys beneath his bed. Sunlight floods the room. Each dust mote a tiny dancer in Hussein's private world. He carefully positions a small toy soldier, ensuring its place in his hidden collection. Hussain adds a colorful block to his trove, each object a piece of his imaginative realm. With a soft, satisfied tone, Hussain whispers, "This is my treasure!" His eyes gleam with the thrill of ownership, guarding the treasures he has hidden away. Mirha steps into the bedroom, her gaze sweeping across the floor. A soft smile touches Mirha's lips as she discovers Hussein's toys hidden under the bed. Quietly, Mirha adds a candy to Hussein's secret stash, participating in his innocent game. Her gentle expression reflects a shared bond of love and understanding. In hushed tones, Mama and Baba approach the bedroom, their eyes filled with tender anticipation. They pause, their hearts swelling with warmth as they observe Hussain and Mirha. A silent, loving glance passes between Mama and Baba, a testament to their shared joy. Mama's voice is soft, full of heartfelt emotion. "Our home is a treasure of happiness." The hallway glows softly, reflecting the warmth of the family's bond. Their loving observation becomes a tableau of familial bliss.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.